From N5 to JLPT N4. This is lesson number 27. So today let's talk about this grammar pattern, tara, which means if in Japanese. Using this grammar pattern, you can say things like, if it rains, I will stay home. If I have time, I would like to travel, and so on. This is the meaning. Tara actually has three meanings: if, when, and after doing something. But today's lesson focuses on if. Other meanings will be taught in the next lesson, so today let's only focus on the first one, if, in Japanese. Grammar format is this. Use past plain form and then add ra. Simply put, this is ta form plus ra. So this has to be past plain form. You cannot use polite form, so be careful with that. I will show you two examples. If it rains, I stay home. 雨が降ったら家にいます。This is past plain form, ta form. So use this ta form and then add ra. Together it means if it rains. Next one. If I have money, I will travel. お金があったら旅行します。あった is past plain form, ta form. So use this ta form and then add ra. Together it means if I have. Now I like you to do this exercise. Change it to tara if sentences. That means change this into tara and then complete the sentence to make it mean if in Japanese. Stop the video and when you are ready, please come back. Now the answers. 日本に行ったら寿司を食べたい。This means if I go to Japan, I would like to eat sushi. 行った is past plain form, ta form. So use this ta form and then add ra. Together it means if I go. Next one. 雨が降らなかったら散歩します。If it doesn't rain, I will take a walk. So whether it's affirmative or negative, an adjective or a noun, change it to the past plain form and then add ra. 降らなかった This is the past plain form, so use this and then add ra. Together it means if it doesn't rain. Next one. 仕事が忙しかったら早く帰れません。If the work is busy, I cannot go home early. 忙しかった This is past plain form. So use this plain form and then add ra. Together it means if the work is busy. Last one. わからないことがあったら聞いてください。If there is something you don't understand, please ask me. あった This is the past plain form, ta form. So use this ta form and then add ra. So now I will read the sentence, so please repeat after me. 日本に行ったら寿司を食べたい。雨が降らなかったら散歩します。仕事が忙しかったら早く帰れません。わからないことがあったら聞いてください。 Very good job. So lastly, I have this homework for you. Change to Tara and make if sentences. Put your sentences in the comments below and I will check your homework. みんな今日もありがとう。I will see you again in the next lesson then. みんなまたね。バイバイ。